We're down from Brisbane. We've got a large workforce in Brisbane. That's where our headquarters are based. We've got a couple of staff in Melbourne and also one over in Perth.
Basically.
Look, free service is absolutely for repairers. You know, we generated this business, we got into the industry to create a benefit ultimately for the whole of industry, but certainly from the repairers. David Taylor, the founder of the business, came from being a spray painter, worked in workshops, worked his way up to owning them, became a multi-shop owner, then generated the wonderful product that is PartsCheck, because he wanted to actually find a way to do things more efficiently, more effectively, and create a lot of benefit for the industry. Its innovation has been really core of what we have been doing. The free offering for repairers is absolutely one of our core principles when it comes to PartsCheck, and the opportunity for suppliers and others also to benefit from an increased market, increased access to repairers and customers that they might not otherwise have. And that's really what we're about, is creating those connections between people.
So
correct. It allows a repairer to, from estimating a vehicle, to break down the list of parts that they need, put those out to up to 10 different suppliers of parts, from OEM manufacturers to aftermarket, reconditioned, second-hand, and identify the best parts. And there's a lot of rules and restrictions that come in from work providers and others that come into play. And this is really about ensuring that the repairer gets the best opportunity to price parts competitively, as well as suppliers having the opportunity to access that and provide those parts to the repairer.
It's a complicated industry.
Look, it is complicated. You know, one of our views is simple things should be simple, complicated things should be possible, and we want to really create an opportunity to have simple things be simple. Look, absolutely. I think the automotive industry as a whole has a massive opportunity to look at understanding their business, understanding their data, understanding their ways of working. One of the challenges, I think, is in an environment where there's a lot of manual process, a lot of manual ways of doing work. The challenge is, how do you encourage an efficiency? How do you encourage an understanding of your business, bottlenecks? One of the opportunities that we have, not only in the PartsCheck platform itself, but our new quote package offering, is actually looking at that end-to-end process. How do we create an opportunity for businesses to flow, provide better, more relevant data to shop owners, to the workforce to understand their part to work in for profitability of their shop, to also understand where bottlenecks are, create an opportunity to actually deliver great customer service at the end of the day. And I think that's where we see ourselves heading, and that's really what we want to be doing for the industry and making a difference, I guess, at the end of the day.